O to jet ticker. To jet ticker, you must take care of your hair. Avoid chemical based hair product. Don't wash it every day and avoid it styling tool. Maintain a healthy lifestyle. Yet well balanced diet with plenty of vitamin B iron. Try to reduce stress level. Lastly, consider spécialisé traitement sur hair growth product, extension, or transplant. Caring for your hair. Avoid chemical based shampoo, conditionné en styling product. Most hair product contain chemical that are effective at cleaning your hair but cause much damage. Some people are affected by the chemical, but if you worry about thinning hair, it's best to avoid them. Sodium lauryl and laureth sulfate are cleaning agent found in most shampoo. Test stripper of natural oil and cause hair to weaken and fall out of it. Os organic product or product made with natural oil and soap agent. Check www.thegoodguide.com for detailed information about different products and which are better to use for those concerned about hair loss. Don't wash your hair every day. Your scalp produce natural oil that cut the hair and protect it from outside damage. When the oil are washed away every day, the hair becomes weaker over time. Every body is different, but most people should be able to comfortably wash their hair to treat them avec with jetting to oily. If your hair is naturally quite oily, you might want to wash it to for them avec instead. Washing to infrequently can also harmful. People with thinning hair often faint and self more susceptible to dandruff and scalp condition which can be avoided by regular, to day, washing. Use a dry shampoo to dry your hair in between wash. It keeps it looking fresh and at added benefit of making hair look thicker. Dry shampoo yapode you can control your hair, especially around throat, between washing. Use essential oil to thicken your hair. Chamomile, lavande, rosemary, thyme, geranium, cedarwood, almond oil, coconut oil, Indian gooseberry oil en mani more. Help thicken hair follicle. Apply this to 20 drops of your chosen oil to your scalp, en massage the oil in with your finger. Use your finger to rub the oil down to the tip of your hair. You could also mix 3 to 5 drops of essential oil into your shampoo or conditioner when washing your hair. Deep condition your hair by adding 5 to 10 drops of essential oil to 3 to 4 ounces of castor oil, olive oil, jojoba oil or sunflower oil. Apply the oil to your hair, taking care to cover strand. Fry your hair in hot oil and let the oil see for 30 minutes, then shampoo en condition anormale. No just en oil wildo. Research into hair thickening oil published in the Journal of Cosmetic Science. 1. Show some, like coconut oil, penetrate better than water. Try your hair gently to decrease hair loss. Use a weed to head comb instead of a brush, and work out the tangle with care, rate en pulling them through. Be especially gentle when your hair is wet. Don't oil it dry rugly or wring it out, since it may cause some hair to break. Use a towel to gently squeeze and pat your hair dry instead. Avoid ponytail and hot hair style like vive and breath a pull and stretch the strand of your hair, to can cause breakage or worse, traction alopecia. Avoid it styling tool. Use blow dryer, straight iron, and curling iron sparingly. Overusing it hair appliance cause your hair to become dry and brittle, making it fall out much more easily. Allow your hair to grow in natural texture and color. Avoid highlight and chemical treatment. Any type of chemical applied to your hair will damage it and dry it out. Even natural hair lightening technique, like using almond juice, can cause your hair to fray. Try volumizing technique for a full appearance. There are many volume boosting products on the market. Go for the one with natural ingredient. Wash your hair with a volumizing shampoo to add en volume to the crown of your head, making your hair powerful. Apply a volumizing conditioner to the strand and root of your hair every time you shampoo. Avoir putting te conditionnaire on te top of you read near the rot of the air, wish can make a part in a begging it done. Try using your lifter en volumizing spray when stealing your air to jet the fullness you are looking for jet your air Q. Cutting off dry, didn't add new leaf to air, making it a particular. Short blanket, sucha bob, make air look fulé. Making leaf still change. Yet well balanced, LTD with plenty of vitamin B environ. Manipe up l'experience tinning air because they have nutri deficiency. Vitamin B play a large role in the health of your hair, en getting on nug of it essential to keeping it care en reducing much you shed. Good source of vitamin B include fruits, végétables, nuts nourrice, amandes terre. Die deficient in iron lead to pork air growth. Good source of iron include beef, pork, lamb, poultry, fish, green leafy vegetables en iron enriched grain product. TAC Pronatal Vitamin supplément. Pronatal Vitamin content a right mix of vitamin for healthy hair, en A bonus, healthy en skin. Protect your hair from chemical en pollutant. Difficult to avoid exposure to everyday environmental toxin, but rare fait preventative method you can try. Vry your hair in a scarforat when you val corbic through give traffic. Pollution caused by carcandulant flatten your hair, making it a parlimpant unhealthy. Vira swim cap in chlorinated pool. Have you ever had a stylist ask you if you are swim? Chlorine stay in air and make it visibly dry and damaged. Protect your hair in the pool, or be sure to wash it with a good shampoo or before the chlorine dry. Massage your scalp regularly using your fingertip. Massage by moving your finger in lit le circle. Massaging increase circulation to your scalp, helping it grow healthier. Examine your stress level. Stressful situation often lead to hair loss. If you have a source of stress you can remove from your life, consider doing so. Some sources of stress are unavoidable, but they usually go away after a while. If you are falling out due to a stressful situation, it will probably grow back with the situation resolved. Thinning hair itself can be a source of stress. Calm your mind by doing everything you can to help your hair healthy, like using natural product, making healthy lifestyle choice, and getting your vitamin. Pursuing treat motion fortifier hair. Try en ovet cointer hair growth product. There are product made for both men and women that are found to be effective in many people. Some of the product are hair growth stimulating shampoo, and there are more complicated application process that require you to see with the product on your head and allow it to work. Do some research to figure out which is right for your need. Test the product on a discrete part of your head before applying it to your entire scalp, since you may have an allergy. Jet hair extension. Extension are attached to your existing strand of hair in such a way that they blend in with your natural texture and color. Take and balance or short as you want. Extension can be expensive, so conduct some research before you use what type to jet. Visit a stylist to ask for information about extension and have them placed in your hair. Instant hair thickener are coming widely available. Colored spray en crème can be used to color the scalp and give appearance of thicker hair. À noter option inanogène, tiny keratin fibre wish bind to your hair making it thicker, but wash off easily. These are a more flexible solution to transplant. Consider hair transplant. Common like a hair plug, hair transplant are surgically inserted in spot where rebuilding or thinning. The method is usually pursued by men, but women with thinning hair may also get hair transplant. Hair transplant are done in a doctor office. Consult your doctor or ask for a referral to get further information about whether you are a good candidate for the procedure.